Want to use Instagram on your Apple Watch but don't know how? Well, look no further. By watching this video, you can browse your feed, check messages, and more right from your wrist. In this video, I'll show you how to install and use Instagram on your Apple Watch step by step. There is no official Instagram app available to install directly on the Apple Watch. However, there is a way you can interact with Instagram on your Apple Watch. So without further ado, let's get started. Press and hold the digital crown button to bring Siri. Then speak on Instagram.com. Now select Login Instagram. Then log into your Instagram account here. Enter your email and password. Then tap on Login. And that's it. This is how you can use Instagram on your Apple Watch. Hope you find this video helpful. If you have anything to ask, let me know in the comment section below. Thanks for watching. Catch you in the next video. Till then, stay tuned. Goodbye.